Hello!
Damn it! Aya, what today is it?
Today is
Today is
unboxing day!
Unboxing day.
And then we're gonna unbox Asus ROG Strix G17. Now I'm just gonna open this. Oh, my fingers.
how's my cookies?
This is. I need help because I feel like I'm gonna break this thing. Yeah, this is so heavy. This is so heavy. It's more very heavy. It even comes with a free bag.
Yeah.
Except this thing's too big though. Still, it fits. I'm just gonna throw it. How to open this? I think. Oh, no, I know. We'll push this button. Beep. Open. Button. I think that only goes here. So no one else can see it. Ooh. Ooh. Oh no, this thing's so heavy. Another heavy thing. Okay. Ooh, I like this. This is mine now. Still have to unwrap it. Okay. Ooh, charger. Charger. I forgot what this is. But whatever it is, I'm just gonna show it. Oh wait, the power supply. Now I remember. I forgot I had that in my laptop.
Wait, that's a free laptop.
No, I'm gonna open that later because I have no idea what's inside there and I'm very afraid of that. They could have just put. Ah, whatever. Is this a mouse? A free mouse! A free mouse! Or maybe it's not free. And this, oh, there. Go back there. The manual. The manual. The manuals. It's hard. Okay. So much paper. No, I was about to say paper, but it's plastic. This tape? Why does this laptop look familiar? Where's the trash can here? Wait, there's no trash can here. Put that there. Ooh. Hey, where's the keyboard? Yoink. Look at the power button. So now I know which button to use for walking when we're gonna play games.
Is that bigger than my laptop?
Yes. Time to turn you. Oh, wait, that's not a thing. Wait, that is a thing. On. Beep. Nice. Hey, don't touch it. The keyboard lights up.
Connection.
Yeah, I can.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Where's the
It's
button?
easy.
Where's the button?
Hopefully it don't fall. There's no chair under me. Oh, I have no idea how to use this. That's nice.
What's this?
internets.
That's kind of cute.
This is nice. This is very nice. Be careful, Jen.
Subscribe the video. Bye.
Don't forget to like the video.